Hi viewers, welcome back to Daddy Fever. 10 easy meals that are rich in magnesium and vitamin D. So, here's a list of 10 easy meals rich in magnesium and vitamin D, along with some preparation tips to maximize flavor and nutrition. Breakfast options. Number 1. Oatmeal bowl with chia seeds, flax seeds, and fortified almond milk. Magnesium, oats, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Vitamin D, fortified almond milk. How to prepare: cook oats in almond milk, stir in chia and flax seeds, and top with fresh berries or honey. Number 2. Spinach and cheese omelette with whole grain toast. Magnesium, spinach, whole grain bread. Vitamin D, eggs, cheese. How to prepare: sauté spinach, whisk eggs, add cheese, and fold into a fluffy omelette. Serve with a slice of whole grain toast. Number 3. Greek yogurt parfait with pumpkin seeds, granola, and blueberries. Magnesium, pumpkin seeds, granola. Vitamin D, fortified Greek yogurt. How to prepare: layer Greek yogurt, granola, fresh blueberries, and a sprinkle of pumpkin seeds in a glass. Lunch ideas. Number 4. Salmon and quinoa salad with lemon dressing. Magnesium, quinoa. Vitamin D, salmon. How to prepare: cook quinoa, add grilled salmon, toss with spinach, cherry tomatoes, and drizzle with lemon dressing. Number 5. Grilled tofu with steamed broccoli and sesame seeds. Magnesium, tofu, broccoli, sesame seeds. Vitamin D, fortified tofu, optional. How to prepare: grill marinated tofu, steam broccoli, and sprinkle with sesame seeds for crunch. Number 6. Mackerel wrap with avocado and spinach. Magnesium, avocado, spinach. Vitamin D, mackerel. How to prepare: spread mashed avocado on a tortilla, layer with spinach and canned mackerel, and roll into a wrap. Dinner options. Number 7. Baked cod with roasted sweet potato and wilted spinach. Magnesium, sweet potato, spinach. Vitamin D, cod. How to prepare: bake cod with olive oil and herbs, roast sweet potatoes, and sauté spinach with garlic. Number 8. Shrimp stir-fry with edamame, bell peppers, and brown rice. Magnesium, edamame, brown rice. Vitamin D, shrimp. How to prepare: stir-fry shrimp, edamame, and bell peppers with soy sauce. Serve over brown rice. 9. Chicken breast with asparagus, wild rice, and mushrooms. Magnesium, wild rice, mushrooms. Vitamin D, chicken breast, mushrooms, if sun exposed. How to prepare: grilled chicken, steam asparagus, and mix wild rice with sautéed mushrooms. Snack suggestions. Number 10. Dark chocolate squares with roasted almonds. Magnesium, dark chocolate, 70% plus, almonds. Vitamin D, none. Pair with fortified milk or juice. How to prepare: simply enjoy a small handful of almonds with a few squares of dark chocolate.